Alright, so we got all this going. Just got my new catch stick. Is that what it's called? Chicken stick. Basically, if I catch something, I can actually document it. And that one doesn't have a trailer on it. I want to put a trailer on it. Actually, I'm going to go with a blue menace. A couple different things I'm throwing out here today. I got a bunch of new plastics and soft plastics and hard plastics. I also got a new rod. This is the Kicking Their Bass TV bait caster combo from Lews. It's a medium heavy fast action. So it looks very nice with the blue, or not the blue, I'm sorry, the green. I was looking at this lure and I was distracted by the trash truck back here. Go ahead and get this pressed onto here. I probably want this more of a swim, so I'm going to hook it on like this. That dog was fine all day or all morning until just now. I think that's about good right there. Oh, push it on all the way. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's good length too. Perfect. So I did play around with this at my house yesterday, of course, after I bought it. But I have not actually cast it out. So let's give it a few casts. That's not at all where I wanted to take it. And this would be a perfect, if I was good at top water, this would be perfect top water because all this grass is pushed up. That's where I was wanting to go. Oh, there we go. Man, first couple casts right there in the grass. Let's get this off of you. Look at that. Ooh, look there. Like bedding, it's just super light bed. All right, let's go ahead and weigh this guy. Turn this on. Make sure it's zeroed out. Good. 1.3. All right. Need somewhere I can lay the grass down. All right. Need to get him to close his mouth. Close your mouth. And he is right at 14. That. Got everything we needed. Now we just need a picture with them. we will toss him back so he can go on bedding or whatever it is they're doing. It's weird that they have, he's got such a, oh, that's something over. It's weird that he has such a roughed up tail this late in the year, but I said it has been a cool, it's been a super cool spring. Oh, no way. I thought I had another fish. And I might have, I don't know. Stuck in the, I'm gonna loosen up just a tiny bit. Oh, there we go. Another one. Right in the water, or right in the grass. He's almost like a bigger one. There we go. All right. All right, bud. Boy, is definitely a bigger one. Look at that. His tail's all beat up too. What is going on? I'm not upset about it. Let's get a weight on him real quick. Scale's still on. Still says 0. It's not easy to do. Still getting used to this. Come on, there we go. Alright. Ooh, 1.59. See, this scale's a little off. So 0, 1.61, 0, 1.61. All right. So definitely have over. So far, that's my biggest recorded. Hey, no. Biggest recorded PB. So because of how big he is, I got a feeling there he goes. I got a feeling my biggest is actually bigger than I thought. Only because before I was never able to weigh them. And so I was basically just going off of looks, and I didn't have a whole lot of experience with looks. I was just going by what it felt like. Well, I think I was pretty far off because that was a 1.6 as y'all saw, and my visual PB was more than that. It was bigger than that, I mean.